If you've lost access to your Wish account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Wish login page. Go to the Wish app or website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Wish account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you a password reset link. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Wish with the password reset link. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't to see it in your inbox. Step 4. Reset your password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Wish login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for further assistance.